What is going on, guys? We're back with another video. As you can see, we have the 92 behind us. This video, I think it's going to be an awesome video, but I don't know about you guys. We did get the bed on it last night. I have a little bit more I have to do to it yet, but grill and headlights in it, and then just touch up some paint. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys around it real quick and tell you what we have left to do, and we'll go from there. Alright, we're going to start up here in the front. So basically what we're going to do is they had halo headlights wired in here. You can see these are all a mess, so my cousin Brett's going to come over and fix all that for us. We're going to stick the old headlights in it from my 98 here for now. We'll probably get like black ones eventually, but we're going to put the grill in, get the headlights figured out yet. As far as the side goes, I'm probably going to get rain deflectors. And the inside, I mean, we got to put the seal plate back on, or the kicker plate. I'm going to get some door clips, as you can see here, and get some clips also for the mirror cover here, and basically just clean the inside up real good. Today's project is going to be putting the Rhino line down on the bottom, and then the bed rails and everything like that. So that's what we're going to be doing. And then also underneath of it, I don't know how you guys can see this, the oil, or the bottom of the transmission pan, I got to put a few bolts in it, so I'm going to do that as well. And yeah, that's basically going to be it for today. Give you a back view of what it looks like. I did tint the tail lights, so, and then got to put the big heavy duty bumper back on here, exhaust and everything, and yeah, we should be good. So I'm going to jump right into this. I'm not going to take you guys down underneath the truck with me, just because the lighting's poor, and all I got to do is put 3 bolts in there. So I'll get that done, and then I'll bring you guys back. I'll show you what I'm going to use to put on the side of the truck for this textured look, right along here. It's going to go down here and then in the bed and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Guys, I got the 3 bolts put in, just right up underneath there. About 3 on that side and 1. You can kind of see it up in there. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but we changed the gasket and stuff, so I had to put the bolts back in. For now, we're going to Rhino line the side. I'm going to get it all taped up and stuff, and show you guys what product I'll be using. The stuff I bought was just this Herculiner. That's what I've used on my truck, my brother's truck. You can get this at pretty much any part store, O'Reilly, Advance, Napa. But what you get is, the instructions. You get a 2-inch brush, your roller handle, your scuff pad for it to scuff like your paint and stuff to apply it. You get an extra roller pad. Here's the handle and stuff for it, and then you get a gallon of the Herculiner. It's cool because they give you, like, on the front, you can kind of see what the texture is going to be like. It gives you the prep, apply, and dry before and after pictures on the box and stuff. And then on the inside, it basically telling you how to do it, how to apply it and stuff. I mean, it's fairly easy. You just want to get your surface, like back here in the bed, for example. In the bed here, basically you get all your leaves, all your junk out of it. You're going to take that scuff pad, scuff everything just to knock the shine off of it, and then you're basically just going to roll it on. What they tell you to do first is take the brush and hit all your cracks and hard to reach places, then roll it on, like the sides and the floor and the front and everything, which really, I mean, it makes it a lot nicer. Don't try and roll it in like the cracks and stuff. I did that on my 2001 pickup truck I had, and it didn't stick as well as when you take a brush to it. But we're gonna use that Herculiner. We're gonna put it on the bumper. The bumper's sitting outside, but I'm gonna hit, basically tape up like the light and everything and straight down. So I'm gonna hit all this. Basically the whole inside of the bed's gonna be covered. And then I'm gonna tape up right around here. All this is gonna be hit all the way around, matching the front of the cab. And then the brush guard or bull bar is going to be hit too. So, and then here is the bumper. Sorry, excuse me, sorry for the wind noise, but here's the bumper. I'm going to hit it yet. So, yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to clean out the bed real quick, and then I'll bring you guys back, and we will start applying this stuff. Well, we got it all taped up. As you can see, I was going to take the tail light out, and I said, whatever, I'll just tape over it. Both sides all taped up, top and bottom. I'm going to get the bed cleaned out now and get everything scuffed, and then we'll start rolling this stuff in. As you guys can see, I got all the big stuff cleaned out of the back here. I just took my broom and pushed it all on the floor. I'm going to bring my little shop vac. I'm going to bring an extension cord in, suck up all around the edges and stuff, get it just nice and clean. Like up in here, you can still see dirt and stuff. Just get all that cleaned and stuff. Then I'm going to come back, scuff it, and scuff the tops and then bottoms, and we should be good to go. So while I'm getting my stuff set up here, I'm just going to shut you guys off real quick. I'm going to get all this cleaned up, and then I'll bring you guys back when I start to actually scuff it. The scuff pad they give you in that kit, it's a green scuff pad. I believe it's like the more coarse of, I think there's like a green, a red, a gray, there might be a black, but it's basically like steel wool. I'm just going to scuff everything, and then I'll bring you guys back once I start doing it. And we're back, guys. I was gonna film me putting this bed liner on, and then I started doing it, and I'm glad I didn't. This stuff was splattering all over the place. I mean, it splattered all over the floor. I didn't want to get it on my camera, but I mean, it looks pretty good. I got the first coat on. I'll show you guys real quick what it looks like. So this is just coat number 1. I'm gonna put probably 2 coats on it. I went all the way down. Oh shit. Like I said, it splattered all over the place. There's dots right here, 2 of them. But I mean, it looks really good. You can see the inside. The front all the way up here where all this brown is, I didn't hit that yet. I want to get most everything covered. I'll come back and hit that. I mean, we'll have a fuel tank, an L fuel tank, and then a toolbox across here, so I'm not too worried about the front because it's not going to get as much wear and tear as everything else. But it looks really good so far. I like how it breaks everything up. And then we're going to have a 4x4 decal here on the side. So here's what it looks like from the back. And then this I hit with that truck bed coating, that duplicolor stuff right here, that you guys seen in the last video. I might come back if I don't have enough just to put a third layer on, just roll this on. So I'll have the texture of this, but I'll have that duplicolor over top. So I went ahead and hit the diamond plate and everything. It turned out really good. It looks really good. It looks better in person. Hit all up in here where the tailgate latches and everything, both sides. Here's this side, so I'm pleased with it. I'm going to let it dry for probably 30 minutes, and I'm going to come back and hit another coat on it. So once I get the second coat put on, I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll probably bring you guys back again so you can see what the final product looks like. We're back, guys. I got the second coat on the bottom. I got the tape all peeled off. It's leaving like a sticky residue. Like this stuff here is just tape. You can still see the white there. So I'm going to come back probably with a razor blade and just kind of peel that up. And then the sticky residue I'm talking about is like this, the tape residue. Ways to get that off is just take an old cloth, like a microfiber or something, spray some WD-40 on it, and then just rub it out. Seems to work real well. So I'm going to get this second coat put on the top, all the way across, both sides on the bed rails. Peel the tape up, because we'll be done, and then all I have to worry about is the inside. And then also, I have a bolt in here. Let me grab a light. That's getting stuck on the frame. So right there, that bolt that's hitting this cross member, I'm going to have to go in there. It's from the exhaust. It's one of the hangers. I'm going to go in there and just cut it off, like the top of it, not the actual nut. So it lowers it down a good ½ inch. And then we should be good. That's what I'm going to work on tonight. So, yeah, I just want to finish up this video. Like I said, I'm going to hit the second coat of up here, peel this tape off, and then hopefully I'll be able to pull it out. I'll get a good walk around shot for you guys so you can see what the pretty much final product of the truck's going to look like. So I'm going to jump right into it, guys. Well, guys, I just got that piece cut out of there. All I did was took a Sawzall. It was right up here where my hand was, but it was probably sticking up probably ½ inch, like I said. I took a Sawzall and cut about 3/4 of the way through, and I kind of ran out of room because I was hitting the frame here. So I took a cold chisel and a hammer and just stuck that cold chisel in where that groove was, and I just smacked it a couple times and it broke right off. Bed dropped down to where it's supposed to be, so we should be good now. I'm gonna finish up the bed rails here real quick, then I'll bring you guys back once I get everything taken apart, or tape taken off, and you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, guys, we're back. I got the bed rails hit another coat on. I hit the front brush guard or bull bar, whatever you want to call it. It's basically like a mixture of the two. I left the driver's door cracked last night. That's why I got the battery charger on it. Cows haven't eaten yet, so they're a little grumpy. But anyway, it's done now, as you guys can see. I think it looks pretty good. I still got to get 4x4 decals made for the sides. I still got to hit the bed another time with bed liner, get the bumper on it, hit it a time with bed liner, and we should be good. It looks really good. It looks better in person than what it does on camera. So, but I was hoping to get it pulled out for you guys so you could actually see it in out in the daylight. But I'll probably just let all this stuff dry, let the battery charge, so I can pull it out one day, get it all washed, get it all nice and clean, get the rain deflectors put on it, and go from there. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you're a first-time viewer, smash that subscribe button. There's a little picture of my truck down in the bottom of the corner. You can just hover over it, and it'll say subscribe. Click that. Turn on bell notifications so you know every time I post a video. And share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment. And let's keep the channel growing. I'm going to eventually pull out the 79 GMC and get some videos on it. I don't know if they'll be engine related, what we're going to do yet with it. But yeah, thanks for stopping in, guys. You guys have a great day. I'll catch you later. Peace.